Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Nailsea today, Wednesday the 25th of September. I've been spending more money than I like spending. Well, I couldn't resist buying this when I spotted it. British Model Flying Association. Used to be called the Society of Model Aeronautical Engineers when I used to fly aeroplanes as a teenager, which was quite a while ago. I was trying to remember my number. I'm sure it was 3,000 and something. It wasn't a really big number, my registration number. That was a long time ago. Anyway, yeah, spotted this. £3. You'll require scissors, glue stick, colouring pens to complete your model. I can't imagine why. Because it's pre-cut. I suppose if we want to stick... Yeah, I see. You can cut those bits out and stick them on. And colour them in. Lovely. Only 4 parts, the wing and 3 fuselage parts. Glue stick, stick it together. I'm actually not sure if I want to do it, or whether I ought to put it back to another charity shop so some youngster can have a go. I just had to buy it to have a look at it. Your aerojet is made from a material called Depron. This material is a closed-cell foam developed for soundproofing and insulation industries. It's also commonly used in the food industry, and you'll often find supermarket pizzas arrive on a Depron base. Well, they used to, and I've got a big collection of them. And a lot of my early models on my channel, YouTube channel, were made from pizza trays. If I remember, I'll put a link in the video description to some of my pizza tray aircraft. Found it was a very useful source of foam. I wonder if these have been laser cut or hot wire cut. Probably hot wire cut. It's probably older than laser. Getting a bit carried away there. I wasn't actually going to build it. I will take that apart again and put it back in the bag. We'll save that for another day. Yeah. Okay, so that was £3. And I gave you a bit of my history. Society of Model Aeronautical... Well, I can't even say it. Society of Model Aeronautical Engineers, SMAE. That goes back a while. That would have been the 70s, 60s, 70s. Okay, yeah, same shop. Yeah, can't remember the name of the shop. Spotted that. £4. I like to pay £1 for these wooden kits. I mean, yes, it is a bigger one than I normally buy. I've got quite a few of these in my stock, as I keep saying when I buy these. Take them on holiday with me for rainy holidays, so we've got something to do when it's raining. Well, that piece there is that side there, so that gives you an idea of what size it will be when it's actually finished. Probably not as big as the picture. Height 16 centimeters, length 22 centimeters, width 12 centimeters. Like £4 is a lot cheaper than buying it brand new. I just don't like to spend more than £1 on anything. And when you see the next thing underneath, it gets even sillier. So that's £3 for the glider, £4 for this. That was £7 total. And then I spotted this, and I thought, I've got to buy it. There was one in one of the charity shops a while ago that had been ready assembled. And I thought, well, there's no point in buying one that's ready assembled, because the whole point of buying it is assembling it. Well, for me, anyway. That's more than one evening's work there. That's going to take a few days, I would expect. Obviously, it's a marble maze. And I think the one that I saw in the charity shop had got an electric motor. So I suspect there's either another version or an adaptation that you can do. Just see if it says anything about it. Oh, you can actually link different tracks together. Up to 4 tracks. Let's have a quick peek inside. There's the wood. Rubber bands. Bit of sandpaper. I hope there's nothing else missing from those bits. Oh, that's the marbles in there. They are good quality, these kits. Have a look at that. It wouldn't surprise me if that actually takes you to a video, maybe. Yeah, not for the faint-hearted, this one, is it? Yeah, that's going to take a while to put together. I've got another U-Gears kit somewhere, another big one. I've got enough to keep me occupied for forever. I say there's certainly more than £8 to buy that new, so I thought I'd better buy it. I'd only regret it if I didn't buy it. 355 parts. Okay, that's it. I see. Gently does it, Grandad. We don't want to break it before we even put it together. I can see that goes over there like that. That's how it goes together. There you go, done. Although you can glue it together. Just reading the instructions, you have got to cut out the cardboard bits to put them on there, because that's part of the balance. That's your nose weight. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.